We have Huawei Nova 7i here, and today we will be doing full gaming analysis of this device. And yeah, I have also done a complete unboxing and camera review of this device. Do check it out. I will post the link down below in the description menu. So for now, let's get started. So here is our patient today, and these are the games that we will be testing out today. These 3 games. But before that, here is a funny thing. In the Huawei app gallery, when I tried to search PUBG, it wasn't there. I mean, the number one trending game in the Play Store is not available in Huawei app gallery. So I think that's what Huawei should really be working on if they really want to compete Google. Anyhow, I was able to install PUBG using an APK file, so that will work for now. So here are some key specs. This Kirin chipset is quite good for gaming, and today we will find out if it really is. Battery capacity and the charging speed is also something that will impress gamers. And I know most of you will be interested in PUBG Mobile, so I think I should start with this one. Let's just turn on the screen recording too, as many of the devices have lagging issue only when the screen recorder is turned on. So we will see to that too. Here we go. A game is on default settings. Let me adjust the brightness. And I think we should put up the game volume too. Here we go. So here are the graphic settings. You have got balanced with ultra frame rate. Then you have got HD, but no HDR. The HD mode is available with high frame rate, the 30 frame rate settings. But in the balanced mode, you can get up to 40 FPS. So let's just keep it on HD and high settings for now and see how it performs. So up here, game is smooth looking. Let's see how it performs once we touch the ground. So we are on the ground, and one thing you will notice throughout the video is that the video recording is a bit smoother than the screen recording. This is because this video was recorded at 60 fps while the screen recording file is on 30 fps. So that's that. Overall, game is quite smooth, and there isn't a single lag up until now. And the speaker quality of the device is also quite impressive. It's quite bassy. This device only has bottom firing speakers, so you might have to use headphones with it. Oh no, I think our gaming review is going to end soon. Let's find him out. It's really difficult to play with these default controls. And let's see what I can do. Finally, he is on ground. So now let's change our graphic settings to balanced and the ultra mode, the 40 fps. And as expected, the game is even smoother with these 40 fps settings. And I'm playing with default controls, so sorry for these sudden firings. So there's a car. Let's do a test drive in it. Oh no, my own teammate needed me before I could even try to demonstrate you guys the driving. And I think he's not going to help me either. Okay, so now he's going to run me over. Wow. Anyways, I think this device will hold up pretty well with PUBG. Let's test with other games now. So now let's test the iconic GTA. Adjusting all the graphic settings to max. And here we go.
Tommy Vassetti? Shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out. He kept his head down. Helps people forget. People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny? We treat him like an old...
Let's just turn on the screen recorder too.
I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and paid shovel shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do? I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
I smile at everyone.
So the graphic rendering of this chipset is quite brilliant, and there isn't any lag whatsoever. I think all of you watching this video have played this game more than once in your life. So anyways, back to the gaming review. I am really impressed with this device and its 3D rendering. So now, let's just test our third and the last game for today, Smash Hit. It also is a highly 3D rendered game. And yeah, along with the screen recording running in the background. And as you can see, the phone is holding up pretty well. I think in this price range, it's going to be an ideal choice for gaming. If, of course, GMS isn't an issue for you. And I think its battery will hold up pretty well too. If you are still here, let's just play another round of PUBG. So here are the detailed graphic settings for the PUBG in this device. And I think we should play at ADM this time. And as it is downloaded, let me adjust the controls real quick. So here we go.
मर गया ओह नाइस किल
The blue team is
Reloading! Clear! Kill! Cover me!
killing spree for the blue team.
So that's enough for me to know that this is a great gaming phone. The device itself is lightweight and comfortable in hand, so good for gaming. And with the plastic bag, the heating issue will also be lesser. So that's all from our very first gaming review of this channel. And if you really enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be great.